So this is my Christmas wreath on my door. It is about 4 o'clock on Saturday. This is my front door. You can kind of see the snow coming down. You can see how high it's piled here. I'd say about 2 feet that the wind has piled up. Here on this window you can see how tall it is. Here it's about 3 feet almost. It's not coming down as hard as before. It's still very windy. And let's check now my patio door. Here you can see right outside my door. You can see my chairs. They're almost all covered. And my tabletop. Pretty cool, huh? The airport's closed. I heard the roads are okay. They've been keeping them clean. But this is pretty exciting. We got food and heat, so we're good. It's supposed to snow all day, so we'll be staying in. That's it. Bye.